Today we're fishing in the beautiful river of Krakachang, Thailand. And we hope to catch some beautiful jungle perch, also known as sabarao to many people. In Thai language, this fish is called krasup. It's a Hambala family, one of the most sought after fish in Southeast Asia. Very good start. This morning, the fish came very close. Yes, I see. Hit! Smaller one, I think. Yes, another one. Again, it's right at the same area where they're playing, close to the structure. The challenge is always when you get your lure near the structure, you are likely to have a chance to get your lure stuck to it. But the current is flowing very fast, and you need a lure that is sort of like able to retrieve at high speed and very stable. So today I'm using a Rapala extract countdown, 7 cm, and seems to do the job wonderfully. ALB color, which is a favorite of most Thai anglers. Excellent choice, which is advised by my Thai colleague. Yes. Yes. Slightly bigger one. Again, very close to the structure. The thing when you're fishing in running river for the fish somehow feels bigger because they will make full use of the run of the water like this. Yeah. Okay. It's not as big as the first one, but medium size. Seems like today they love the ALB. We noticed that the big fish over here are kind of like between 7 to 10 cm. So we try to choose a lure that match the hatch and very close to the size of the bait fish they're feeding. The water is quite clean at the moment. There has been rain about a couple of days before, but it has stopped and it's running very well. The water is sort of very cold. And according to the local Thai people, this is one of the best times to catch sabarao because it starts the natural instinct of spawning. So we should be able to catch some bigger species as we fish along this whole river. And if I do come across some sort of like features of the fish that you know they are spawning, typically they will have some red chicks on it, and sometimes they will squirt out milk on the fish. This is a very young kasuk, but you can see a little bit of the red patch on the cheek here, which usually is a sign where they will actually is on the time for them to spawn. Good size. Okay, not so good size, but still a fish. Okay, it's not bad. We have tried several other lures like the flat wrap, and somehow some of the sizes and the color doesn't really suitable for this fishing condition. We have no choice but to resort back to what has been catching the fish since this morning. Again, the X-Sharp countdown in ALB color seems to do the job. There's no denying that this color is by far the most popular color in Thailand for freshwater fishing. And we are now casting at a very nice drop-off. As you can see, the sort of the cliff coming down, fast flowing water, and this fish was hanging around sort of like the slower current part. And when the lure passes by, they are actually sort of like in this direction, just staying there, waiting for any small bits to flush down, and they will just come out and chase it. Okay, this fish was quite strong, for the sense that it actually went out of the comfort zone and took the lure. Something to note is that we have also changed the hooks to the VMC 7554, which is 2X hooks. These hooks are needle point, super sharp, and you can see it holds on very well. So it's something that you should take note when you are changing the original hooks to a VMC. Yes! Right. Good fish. Good size. Good size. Good size. Yeah, yes. This is our fifth fish of the morning, and overly excited because we seems to found the right formula for them, which is basically choosing the right bait, the right color. We're just telling ourselves, if we can catch the fifth fish on this color, we're convinced that today this is something that they want. I've changed nothing with the retrieve, I've changed nothing with the leader. I'm just choosing the right color and the right size for you. So for you audience, keep on trying, and when you found something that works for you, I know sometimes you want a little bit of challenge, but when fishing is hard and it's tough, you may want to go back to the formula that get you the fish. I'm fishing with the new snow. The one I'm using is 4 to 10 pound. And what is so special about the new snow is that it has better components. The better graphite is more sensitive and is slightly longer than the old snow. The old snow was 6 feet, but this particular snow is 6 feet 3. The reason why we're using all the KR concept guides is basically to give the rod a better feel. And this rod together with the better graphite is light and is very sensitive. So if any strike, any fish that actually tap the lure, you can feel it and you can really react fast and get the hook set in. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the new snow and I'm sure you will enjoy fishing with snow as well. For today's fishing trip, because the water is very clear, so we understand and from the local as well as from our personal experience that natural colors works very well. And when it comes to action, the most important is that if you are using a lure with a bib, it must be able to withstand a very fast retrieve, because the current is moving very fast and you need the lure to stay straight and track straight at high speed retrieve. For this trip's adventure, we have our Thai captain with us. His name is Pitam. And Thai boat captains are very well known for their friendly service. They are hardworking and they have a good knowledge of where they can actually find the fish. So do treat them with respect, and I really enjoyed the whole adventure with Pitam. Pitam,